going on, everyone? All right, another beautiful hot day today here in New Hampshire, and we have another guest for another East Coast Roasters episode. We got John over here, and he brought his turbo drift car Pinto, and he also bought some spare burners, so you know what that means.
I think a modern ECU and having it actually tuned and rewiring the car helped a lot.
Yep. What ECU did you end up going with?
I ended up just going with a Megasquirt 2, but I didn't know what I was doing, and I had to modify it like 3 times.
Yep.
So it could support the ignition input and output.
Okay.
And I tried to make it work with the stock distributor at first, but the ignition modules and those always fail.
Yep.
So that was a waste of time.
Yep.
I drove like half a drift event, and then it just crapped out.
Awesome. So what do you got going on for this thing as far as like angle wise?
It's 1 turn less lock to lock, and
yeah,
if you drive it right, it self-steers fine, but if you have to make it correct and you're just fighting the steering wheel back and forth.
Fighting the hell out of it, yep.
And then just leaf springs in the back. I'm surprised I don't have any wheel hub. A little bit of side-to-side flex, but surprisingly not bad. I mean, I didn't build this to be a drift car, so the fact it drifts all right is kind of surprising.
Just kind of a bonus having it drift, right?
This was supposed to be a road racing car, but my drift car keeps blowing up.
You're like so Pinto.
I thought Corollas were reliable, but apparently not in the mid-80s.
So how long have you had this car for?
11 years now.
Oh, wow.
As of like a month ago.
Damn.
I bought the week I graduated high school.
Yep.
I spent senior year looking for some sort of old car, and everything I looked at was a rot box.
Yeah.
I got under this. There was no rot in the floors, and it had a red plaid interior, so I was sold.
Sold.
What size turbo are you running on this?
Oh, it's a 6063.
Jeez, that's pretty large.
Yeah, it spools up pretty quick though. I have like almost no lag. But it's a Mustang SVO stock turbo with the cold side from a Buick Grand National. So that was the first T3 T4 conversion.
All right, so although John didn't intend this to be a drift car and it was more of a road race car because his other drift car keeps breaking and blowing up, he's gonna do some sweet skids for us. So let's see what this little Pinto can do.
Yeah, always make sure those are on.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Let's go. A few minutes to cool off. Hell yeah.
Only up to 220, but that's when it's time to give it a break.
Yep. So, that is John and his 2.3 liter turbo powered Pinto. Thing is badass. But dude, feel free to come by anytime.
Oh, for sure.
I'm sure people are gonna love seeing this car. It's definitely a one of a kind. But yeah, thanks you, man. Thank you for coming by. We appreciate it.
Good being here.
East Coast Roasters, let's go, baby.